okay, but I will win. When and where and why. And the truth of the matter is that there's still a lot to be discussed on this matter. I suspect that he expected court action would be taken this week, and I also know as a fact that Julian Robinson was anxious to renounce from he made it public, and that was also a key indicator as to why we got to where we are. So it's not fully on his own volition, and the fact of the matter is for political convenience. His statement in relation to that he doesn't want it to be a distraction and cause candidates to be affected is a very, very lame excuse. It should be done because he knows it's the right thing to do. He's committed to Jamaica. His allegiance fully to Jamaican loyalty, and there should be nothing else to add to that. That is why one would do what they did, which is what I did, which is what Matthew Samuda did, and which is why Julian, who I must say I respect him, because I had actually spoken to him, and he admitted to me that he was, and that he would be taking steps to do what he needed to do.
When you say legal action, you usually, you tell the country that you have sources within the PNP. Is it that his own potential candidates were going to take him to court, Mark Golding?
Well, if you listen to the applause at NEC when he made mention of it, that would speak loudly to how concerned they were. And the fact of the matter is that I know, and if I know, I'm sure several other people know, that they were in the final stages of filing court action this week. And that would have been persons who are associated with the People's National Party.
So Daryl Vaz telling us this morning, Jamaica, that people in the PNP were planning to take their own leader to court over the dual citizenship matter, and to head that off, he made that announcement on Sunday. Politics.
Yeah. And as I said, we talk about this more after, just hoping and wishing for everybody to be safe and not to panic, but to be prepared. And as I said, we will talk about this more. But I think that the manner in which he did it yesterday leaves a lot to be desired and questions his true loyalty and allegiance to Jamaica. And the length of time, 41 days to be exact.
Hear you on that. Thank you this morning, Minister Vaz. All the best out there in Portland.
Everybody keep safe, please. Plenty prayers. Prayers
All right.
up.
All right then.